Welcome back, viewers. You can see these are my Coleus plants. This video was recorded in November, and you can see my plants. These were grown from cuttings. Some are in the ground and some in the pot. And now you can see after 3 months, these plants got damaged after rains. The fungus got active and the main stem is damaged. But at this time you can still save your Coleus plant and take some cuttings. Just take 5 to 6 inch cuttings because the upper side is not damaged and the leaves are fine, so you can still grow your Coleus plant from cuttings. These plants are not going to revive because the main stem is damaged. You can see, take some cutting like this. You can see the upper leaves, and this was the plant in the pot. Its leaves are also fine. Upper side is not damaged. You can see it is getting black from the main stem, which means fungus is getting active. So take some cuttings, and I am going to plant the cuttings in coco peat and sand soil. Before planting my cuttings, I am going to sterilize my cutter, and I am now going to remove all the damaged stems and remove the lower part of the cuttings because my tool was not sterilized when I was taking the cuttings. Remove the lower leaves and lower stems and the areas affected by the fungus, and you can see this is the cutting, and I'm going to plant it in the coco peat. Just plant it 2 to 3 inch deep. I am going to plant half of my cuttings without any treatment. Just remember there should be at least one node area in the cutting. I am going to apply aloe vera gel to half of my cuttings. This helps in root development and also helps in avoiding the fungus. I wanted to be precautious, and you can see these are the plants, these are the cuttings in coco peat. Now I am going to plant the rest of the cuttings in the sand soil in the same way. These plants are the shaded area plants and very best choice for indoor gardeners. After planting your cuttings, water them thoroughly and place them in the shaded area. Stay with us for the updates. And viewers, this is after 1 month. You can see this cutting and this cutting. 2 cuttings got damaged due to fungus. And in the cocoa peat you can see cuttings are growing fine. Two cuttings were damaged in the sand soil, but in the cocoa peat all cuttings are growing very well and there is no fungus despite these cuttings were under the rain. These cuttings in the sand soil, we got two cuttings damaged, and after 9 days you can see these cuttings are growing fine. I am going to transplant these cuttings after 2 weeks. If you like the video, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening. Bye.